Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to separate a PDF file. Maybe you have 10 PDF you have one file but it has maybe 10 or 20 files maybe, and you need only one to make that one to be one document you're going to submit. So you don't need all the 20-30 pages. So what you need to do, you have to edit that PDF and cut out all those pages you don't need. So we're using Kali Linux, but you can use Ubuntu or anything. So in Windows you can do that using at least Office 2013 and 16 and 19, something like that. So here what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our downloads. We already have our file here. We right click and say open program. We use Office, we use LibreOffice. We select here. Okay, we're trying to select here. Once we select that file, this is the file. We use LibreOffice. We open it using LibreOffice. So what we're gonna do, you can see we need this, I need that, and also I need this page and I need this page. I might need 3 pages. So what I do, I click on that and say cut. So now there are 4. I click on that and say cut. I don't need that. I click on that and also say cut, and I remain with 2. So once I remain with 2, what I do, I go file and say save as. I want to save as something else in the downloads folder. Then it doesn't give me the PDF. Then we're gonna go to also that section, how to convert that to PDF. We can create this and say proof of physical address for the what. Then we say 1. I'm copying it and save it like 1. Then I save that. After saving that, it doesn't save it as a PDF, which is so bad for us. So you can see I saved it as this file. Then I open it into let me see, application, and I say LibreOffice Draw. I didn't want to do that. Let me see another file I can save. Now you can see there are 2 only, there were 5. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click and say I'm gonna say click and say save as. I wanna choose the file. I wanna choose the file which doesn't have something like let me see, save as. Okay, if you say, for instance, if you say export, it gives you this JPEG and stuff. So then you can go and look for, you see PDF, then get a PDF. And once you get a PDF, that's the best thing you can do for yourself. Then you can also put it there and format is PDF. You say export. You don't have to say all pages. We say all pages, say okay, and after that okay, we're gonna go back and we have this one. You can see this is the PDF one. So there's this one, also it's a PDF, but now there's this one. So it's 1, this is 1. So this, if you open it here, it won't be something super. You can see we can cancel that. We see what's gonna get. So we open our PDF here. You can see now our PDF has only 2 pages. So since we have 2 pages, that's what we wanted. We can even make it 1, and since that's what we wanted, we can go back and check other stuff to make sure that what we're doing is completely fine. So I'm gonna go to downloads folder. I open this one. Remember, this is the page we first made, but this one it's not in a PDF format. So we're gonna close it, close that, and I can show you the original file. It has how many pages? it has 5. You see 3 of 5. This is where we extracted all those pages we wanted. So regardless of whatever you want to do, you can make it what you want. What I'm gonna do, this one is done because that's what I wanted. I'm gonna delete this. I'll repeat the process for you. Put the okay, I'm gonna do the original thing. I'm gonna name it Azania. Then I say okay. So the reason why we're doing this video, we want to, this page, this folder has this PDF file. It has 5 pages, but I don't want all 5 pages. I want to take out some PDF files, then I take the ones which I want and then delete the ones which I don't want. So what I do, since I'm using Linux, you can use, but I'm gonna use, you can use LibreOffice, you can use Office 2016, 2013. It doesn't matter where you are, which operating system you're using. So I'm gonna go here, right click and say open with application. I want to choose LibreOffice. I say okay. I select it. Once I select that, it's gonna open. It opened. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I don't need all the 5s. So for instance, I need this one only. I don't need this and this. So what I do, I'm gonna click on that in LibreOffice. You say delete page. I click on that. I say delete page, and now this is the 3 one becomes 1. So I click on that. I delete that, and I click on that and also delete that. After deletion of that, what we do, we're going to, you don't save as we did the first time. Save as is gonna give you another program. You just say export. So once you say export always by default is gonna give you the image type which we don't want. So we're gonna go and select to be a PDF file. So that PDF file, we're gonna say Azania1, then we save it, we export it. After export, you don't have to do anything here. You just say export, and after exporting, we can cancel this. We don't want to save, don't save. So we're gonna look for Azania1. You can see now we only have one PDF folder, one PDF file. So you can play with this. Let me make it 85 is so big, maybe 50, 40, whatever. Let me see how the behaviors are. Fit page. Okay, I'm fitting it to page. You can see 1 of 1. So guys, this simply means you have only one PDF file on this document. So what you do with your document, you can do what, you can also, there's a, if you put it, you can then also do upload it where you want to upload it. So this is one of the methods I've been using for a long time. If you don't have LibreOffice, please try to download it. Is free, but I don't know on other operating systems, but on Kali and Ubuntu, most of the Linux flavors, you get this LibreOffice free, so it can do all that job for you. So in Windows, please don't forget, you must have at least Windows Office 2013, 2016 and 2019, one of those. So this is something which can save you time. But also there is a website. Let me show you that website. You can go and play with that, much of the stuff that on that website. I guess I'm gonna get it for you. No, that website, no, you can, okay, you can go to Google and get a couple of websites there. There's a website called Small PDF. That one, you get it, they do a lot of stuff on that. So when you get to Small PDF, if you don't have any softwares on, like the softwares we're using now, which I've used to do this, you can go to Small PDF. Also Google and any PDF converter software, PDF to Word or Word to software to convert. So sometimes they're gonna have some options there which gonna allow you to do that editing, to take out, extract one page or 2 pages on that PDF file, and you can remain with 1 file or 2 files or 3 files. So guys, thanks for watching. If you did not understand well, rewind the video and you watch it again. If you don't understand again, please tell me how can I help you to understand. What part did you not understand? Yeah, I'm here to help guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.